Hey, do you have a ponytail that I could borrow?
I know that she sees my ponytail right now, but it's my last one and I need to use it for my own ponytail.
You have one on your wrist right now. Can I use it?
No, you can't have it.
Sure. Here. I promise I'll give it back.
She's never gonna give that ponytail back. Hey guys, it's Rachel. If you don't follow me on Instagram, my Instagram is RTOBeauty101. You should follow me. I'll put the link down below. I decided that I want to do a video about the worst things about being a girl, because there's a lot of things that I'm sure we can all agree just stink about being a girl. So this video is all fun and games and the things that suck about being a girl, but if you think about it, there are way, way worse things about being a girl than just the things shown in this video. Like breast cancer. Breast cancer sucks. And breast cancer doesn't only affect girls, it also affects boys. So in honor of this video, I decided that I'm gonna donate $1,000 to the National Breast Cancer Foundation, and I suggest you donate whatever you can to them too, because we still need to fight to find a cure. I'll put their link down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and comment down below which one of these things you go through too. Let's get on with the video.
Hey, shawty. Looking cute.
Rachel, you can't wear that to school. You're gonna get dress coded.
Literally, Josh wore a tank top exactly like this to school yesterday. I think I'm fine.
Well, society doesn't care if guys wear tank tops, Rachel.
I won't change.
Are you sure you want to eat that?
Yes, I'm sure I want to eat this.
Rachel, do you know how many calories are in that?
Pretty fast for a girl.
For a girl?
Okay. My legs are all nice and shaved.
I got a really bad grade on my science test.
Really?
My mom's probably not going to...
Rachel?
Are you okay? Are you sure?
I got a cramp. Okay, we're good. What were you saying? Oh no. I tweezed out one hair in the wrong spot and now my eyebrow's ruined. And if you're a guy who does their eyebrows, you know how much this sucks too.
What do you want to be when you grow up?
I think I'm gonna go into science.
Science? What do you want to do that for? You're much too pretty for that.
What does that even mean? 11:50, I literally need to be there by 12. Oh god. Ow! Stop. Stop it! Stop it! Fine. I'll leave the window closed. Ooh. Why did my spoon need a drop? Mom, I have a boyfriend.
You're too young to have a boyfriend.
David had a girlfriend at 15 years old.
It's not the same.
This is ridiculous.
Ew, Rachel, those are ugly sunglasses.
I already bought them and I don't really care if you like them or not.
I don't like them.
Well, I like them.
I don't.
I don't care if you don't like them.
Why are you freaking out? Are you on your period or something? God, why are girls always PMSing?
Okay. Ow. Underwire bras are literally cages. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you didn't see my previous 2 videos, click those down below and subscribe right over there if you're not subscribed already. I love you guys so much. Bye!